1. Currently on sale is a well-groomed 1969 Volkswagen Beetle at a price of $7,500. This rare convertible variant is equipped with an automatic transmission, which makes it even more unique. The car impresses with its cleanliness and works perfectly. The car has been updated, including new floors, carpeting, and seat covers. The mileage is 71,000 miles. The owner decided to sell the car in order to purchase something he had been dreaming about for a long time. This Beetle is a great opportunity for those who appreciate the combination of classic style, reliability, and convenience of an automatic transmission. Thanks to its well-groomed condition and rare variant, it can become a wonderful acquisition for a new owner. 2. Currently on sale is a 1969 Volkswagen Fastback, the price of which is $8,000. The car has a mileage of 123,456 miles and a manual transmission. Its body is painted green, and the interior is made in shades of white. This VW Fastback features a sturdy body and a well-groomed interior. There is a slight corrosion on the lower parts of the doors. It is required to carry out some wiring work, as well as replace the carpet and door upholstery. The seller sells the car because of the fight against cancer and the need to cover medical expenses. This 1969 Volkswagen Fastback may be of interest to collectors and fans of classic cars, providing an excellent opportunity to purchase a stylish and characteristic representative of the era of air cooling from Volkswagen. At the same time, the purchase of this car will also support the owner in his fight against the disease. 3. Currently on sale there is a 1976 Ford Mustang, offered for $4,000. The car is equipped with a 6-shaft engine with a manual transmission and a T-top roof. It is important to note that the engine has a problem with the head gasket, and after some time of operation, white smoke begins to emit. This 1976 Ford Mustang has been completely renovated both outside and inside, with the exception of the engine. The interior and exterior of the car have been completely updated, providing an excellent opportunity to purchase a stylish car for the summer season. However, the new owner will have to deal with the problem with the cylinder head, which makes this Mustang an ideal object for a summer customized project. 4. Currently on sale is a 1950 Chevrolet Styleline, offered at a price of $9,000. The car is equipped with a 4.3-liter V6 and is mounted on a subframe from the 1980 Camaro. This Chevy Styleline is actively used, being my daily vehicle. Although it is in working condition, some small work needs to be done. For more information, contact the seller. This car is a unique combination of the classic style of the 1950s and modern functionality, thanks to the installation of a modern subframe. In addition to possible small jobs, it can be used for daily trips, making it an attractive option for collectors and those looking for a unique vehicle with character. 5. Currently on sale is the 1976 Chevrolet El Camino Classic for $10,000, which is a real treasure trove for fans of classic cars. This car is stored in the garage, equipped with a powerful 400 cubic inch engine, which has been expanded by 0.30, reaching more than 300 horsepower. It is equipped with a 400 turbo transmission and a differential with positive locking. The interior of the El Camino has been completely renovated, adding electric windows and locks. Changes were also made in the car to install a V-belt, as well as a new compressor and air conditioning hoses, although the work on completing the air conditioner was not completed. The mileage of this car is 120,000 miles and has only one previous owner. The seller is interested in exchanging for a 2500/250 truck, whether petrol or diesel. This Chevrolet El Camino Classic is a wonderful combination of power and style, and its exchangeability makes it an attractive choice for those looking for a beautiful and powerful classic car. 6. Currently on sale is the 1965 Chevrolet Impala Sedan 4D for $5,800, which is a stylish and productive car ready to become your new project. This car has a mileage of 102,000 miles and is equipped with a powerful 327 cubic inch engine. The Impala starts and moves perfectly, ensuring the reliability of the engine and transmission. However, it should be noted that there are some problems with corrosion on the floor. You may need a little investment in restoration, but the engine and gearbox are functioning perfectly. This blue Impala is waiting for its new owner, ready to make some improvements and restore it to its original appearance. The seller does not consider the exchange and claims that the car has no mechanical or electrical problems. This is a great opportunity for those who are looking for a classic car with potential and are ready to take on small project tasks. 7. Currently on sale is an elegant 1985 Oldsmobile Toronado Coupe 2D, presented at a price of $6,000. This car with a respected history is ready to please its new owner. With a mileage of 83,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it provides reliability and comfort on every trip. The body is painted brown, and the interior is covered with gray material. The vinyl top and tan color looks especially stylish, emphasizing the bronze finish level. The wheels are decorated with decorative hoods. This Toronado has only one owner who purchased it new from an O'Reilly Oldsmobile dealer in Kansas City, Missouri. It is sold in its current state, starts up and works properly. This is a unique opportunity for a collector or a lover of classic cars to become the proud owner of this Oldsmobile with an impeccable past. 8. At the moment, an exclusive 1968 Dodge Dart 270 with a price of $10,000 is on sale. This car attracts attention with its original bright body color, made in the style of custom paint. With a mileage of 42,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it is ready to please its new owner. This Dart 270 is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine that provides excellent performance. The car is in excellent condition, both outside and inside. The body is painted in a deep blue color, which perfectly matches the shade of the interior, also made in blue. With 2 owners and no credit obligations, this Dodge Dart represents a great opportunity for a collector or a lover of retro cars. The owner is considering an exchange, which makes this car even more attractive for those who are looking for a unique and stylish transport. 9. An amazing 1981 Dodge Mirada, worth $5,950, is on sale. This beautiful car is available for you right now. With a mileage of only 30,000 miles, it impresses with its condition and unique design. The Mirada is equipped with a variety of options that make driving a pleasure. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, cruise control, AM/FM audio system with CD, leather seats, power steering, power brakes in front and much more make it a comfortable and convenient vehicle. The powertrain includes a powerful 318 V8, and several additional improvements are installed under the hood, including a dual exhaust. The car has been recently serviced, so it is ready for travel and adventure. This Dodge Mirada has excellent preservation of the exterior coating, interior, and vinyl top. Aluminum wheels give it a stylish appearance. This is a great choice for those who are looking for a classic cruiser with reliable mechanics and excellent condition. 10. Now a beautiful 1979 MG Midget is on sale in the market, offered for $4,900. This model, created in the style of the 1970s, gained popularity thanks to the conversion of bumpers. With a clean title in stock, this car is currently ready for a new owner. With its mileage of only 38,700 miles, the MG Midget impresses with its unique style and character. The current driving is satisfying and the seats, recently updated, provide comfort on the way. The top is in excellent condition, which adds another layer of functionality and style. Although the car's paint is rated at 7 out of 10 points and there are a few bubbles, it still attracts the eye with its unique look. New tires add safety on the road. Strictly speaking about the technical aspects, it should be noted that the car has a small oil leak, probably due to seals worn by the previous owner. Although it can drive perfectly, it is not recommended to make long trips because of this leak. This 1979 MG Midget is the perfect choice for those who appreciate retro style and want to experience the joys of driving a real classic car. 11. Currently, a unique model is on sale. The 1961 AMC Rambler American Ford Wagon at a price of $6,000. This car has become the object of my attention, and I am ready to share information about it. This project car has a special history. The 61st year of production, with an engine from the 63rd year and transmission from the 04 Chevy S10. The seller regretfully decides to part with this project, despite its potential. Some repairs have already been carried out, such as replacing the water pump, radiator, and other small parts. The car demonstrates reliable and powerful operation. Judging by the seller's words, this Rambler American is ready for modification and transformation into an amazing car. The seller expresses the hope that the new owner will take this project under his care and create something unique. The seller has too many other projects to pay attention to, and he wants this Rambler not to stand idle, but to become a source of inspiration for the new owner. 12. Currently an exclusive car is on sale. A 1972 Honda N600 at a price of $4,500. This unique car has attracted my attention, and I am ready to tell you about its features. By the way, this is not just a car, it is a real rare find. It is in good condition, ready for new adventures. Since its appearance on the roads, this car has traveled only 14,500 miles. The seller describes it as a car in good technical condition. This car sets the standards of small subcategories, having a unique green body color. The drive is rear-wheel drive, and the engine, despite its small dimensions, provides an efficient and comfortable ride. The current owner maintained the car in good condition, and now he has the opportunity to become your unique acquisition. Based on the clean title and description, this Honda N600 is a great option for collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. 13. Currently, you can become the owner of a unique car. 1973 Superior Flower Car Cadillac at a price of $6,500. This car is not only available for sale, but also ready for use. It is equipped with an adjustable flower platform and comes with a wing and a headlight box. Cadillac Flower Car from Superior is presented in working condition. The seller claims that it runs and rides, which makes it suitable for daily use. The car is equipped with an adjustable flower platform, and a wing and a headlight box are included. The condition of the machine is estimated as average. The car has 8 cylinders, rear-wheel drive, runs on gasoline. The odometer shows a mileage of 5,275 miles. The body color is custom-made, which probably adds uniqueness to this car. If the ad is still active, then the car is still on sale. The seller promises to remove the ad as soon as the transaction is completed. If you are interested in a unique car with a history, this Superior Flower Car Cadillac can be yours. 14. Currently, you have a great opportunity to become the owner of a unique car. A 1963 Ford Falcon Ranchero, put up for sale at a price of $6,400. This Ranchero is updated with a new engine that has traveled less than 10,000 miles. The car is equipped with a Ford 302 engine with a set of components built by Hawaii Racing in Simi Valley in early 2021. The C4 transmission is 3-speed with B and M fast selection. To improve performance, the entire MSD ignition system is installed, including the 6-block distributor and spark wires. Cooling is provided by an aluminum radiator with 4 channels. The car also has low suspension thanks to a set of front suspension from the 1965 Mustang and Galaxy disc brakes. The appearance and sound are improved thanks to Flowmaster silencers. The seller notes that he had been enjoying his new engine for about a year when his starter stopped working. Although he did not have the opportunity to return the car to working condition due to problems with the starter, the car itself and its updated engine provide an excellent basis for those who want to revive this Ranchero and enjoy the unique style and performance. 15. Currently, a unique car is on sale. A 1962 Chevy Corvair Monza Spyder 900 convertible, which is estimated at $8,900. This car has been owned by a local owner for the past 20 years and is a real collector's item. Equipped with an aluminum 6-cylinder engine, currently installed 1965 engine without turbocharging, 2 carburetors, and a 4-speed transmission, this Corvair also has a good braking system, bright headlights, and a streamlined body. The body panels are in excellent condition, and the suspension has no signs of rust. All the necessary technical work and maintenance has been carried out, including the reconstruction of the engine, the installation of a new transmission and clutch, as well as other details. The car starts easily, works perfectly, and has recently undergone full maintenance. This rare instance is also equipped with a rare AM/FM radio that works well. The original instruments in the cabin, although the tachometer, speedometer, and fuel gauge are not always accurate. The interior is in good condition and original for this car, and the handmade white convertible is in excellent condition. The rear window of the convertible needs to be replaced. This Corvair has been garaged since 2004, which maintains the safety of the body and mechanical components. Since its release, the car has spent its entire 60-year life in California. The seller also provides extensive documentation, including registration history, periodical literature, and original receipts. This car is ready to bring pleasure to the next owner and become a real decoration for the collection.